Welcome to Fly Over the Map. Today, we find ourselves in Montenegro. Today's building we find in Podgorica. We are flying over the Podgorica City Stadium today. Welcome to Podgorica, Montenegro, where we're flying over Podgorica City Stadium today. Built in 1945 near the Maraca River, this stadium, known locally as Stadion Podgorica, is home to the Montenegro national team and Budućnost Podgorica. Originally seating 5,000, it was rebuilt in 1952 after a fire, reaching 17,000 seats, and now holds 11,080 after modern upgrades. Its four stands, north, east, south, and west, create a lively vibe, especially with the Varvari Ultras in the north stand during Budućnost matches. The stadium hosts the Montenegrin Cup final and has seen dramatic moments, like the 2015 Russia match halted by flare-throwing fans. A major renovation is set for 2025 to 2027, rebuilding the main stand to boost capacity and meet UEFA standards, funded by the government and Football Federation. Located downtown, it's a short walk from pubs and the Millennium Bridge. Open for matches, it's a must-see for sports fans, though tours aren't offered. Whether you're catching a game or exploring its history, this stadium reflects Montenegro's football passion. We look forward to welcoming you on board again next time for Fly Over the Map. If you enjoyed the video, please leave us a like or comment.